Today, let us pause for a moment and remember a divine presence that teaches us how to be strong without becoming harsh, devoted without losing balance, and courageous without ego. Hanuman Jayanti marks the divine birth of Lord Hanuman, not just a powerful being from history, but a living example of how faith works in everyday life. Long ago, there lived a devoted woman named Anjana Devi. She lived a simple life, but her devotion was intense. She prayed not for luxury or power, but for meaning, a purpose that would make her life valuable. Just like today, when many of us pray quietly for strength to manage family, work, health, or responsibilities, Anjana Devi prayed with sincerity, not expectation. Moved by her devotion, Lord Shiva promised to take birth as a son. Through the blessings of Vayudeva, Hanuman was born, carrying the energy of the wind and the wisdom of divine consciousness. From the moment he was born, Hanuman was different. Not loud, not arrogant, just powerful and pure. As a child, Hanuman once saw the rising sun glowing in the sky. Innocently believing it to be a golden fruit, he leapt towards it without fear. This moment is not just a story, it reflects our own lives. As a children, we dream without limits, but as adults, fear slowly enters. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of responsibility. We hesitate before starting something new, even when we are capable. Hanuman's leap reminds us faith always jumps first, fear only follows later. When Indra struck Hanuman and Vayudeva withdrew air from the universe, the balance was lost. The gods realized their mistake and blessed Hanuman with strength, intelligence, protection, and long life. But they also ensured he would forget his power so pride would never control him. This teaches us a powerful lesson. In daily life, many of us are capable, educated, skilled, experienced, yet real greatness lies in staying grounded. Like Hanuman, who never showed his power unless needed, we too must learn when to act and when to remain silent. True strength is seen when we stay calm during conflict. We work sincerely without applause. We help without announcing it. Hanuman lived with strength, but his life found direction only when he met Lord Rama. The moment Hanuman saw Rama, he knew his purpose. In the same way, our lives change when we discover meaning in what we do. A student studies better when learning has purpose. A parent works harder when responsibility becomes service. Even routine work feels lighter when done with devotion. Hanuman did not ask Rama for rewards. He asked only one thing, the chance to serve. In the Sundarakanda, Hanuman crosses a vast ocean alone. This mirrors moment in our lives when we feel we are facing challenges by ourselves, exams, financial stress, illness, emotional pain. When Hanuman finds Mother Sita, he does not show power. He shows reassurance. He gives hope. This reminds us that sometimes a kind word, patient listening, or silent support can heal more than advice. When Lanka burns, it is not anger, it is a burning of ego and injustice. Even in daily life, Hanuman teaches us to stand firm against wrong without losing control or compassion. When you wake up tired but still fulfill your duty, that is Hanuman. When you control anger during stress, that is Hanuman. When you help someone quietly, that is Hanuman. For students, Hanuman teaches focus amid distraction. For working people, balance under pressure. For families, protection and patience. Hanuman teaches us that surrender is not weakness, it is trust that effort guided by faith never goes unsupported. Life may delay answers, test patience, or shake confidence, but inner strength grows silently before it becomes visible. With this, I pray that Lord Hanuman blesses you all with courage when you feel weak, clarity when you feel confused, and faith when life tests you. May His strength awaken within you. in your daily actions, protect your path, and guide you always. Jai Hanuman, Jai Shri Ram.